Good morning, students. So, this is your MV book, Moral Values. As we have completed our chapter number 1, Obedience. Okay, so you should always obey your mother, father, elder sister, brother, and your guardians. Okay, students. So, what we have read in this story? In this story, we have read a little rabbit who always passed by a pond on his way to school. On that way, there was a big and greedy crocodile lived, and crocodile wanted to eat Tinny. What was the name of rabbit? Tinny. And crocodile wanted to eat Tinny. One day the crocodile called out in a sweet voice, "Oh little rabbit, come closer to the pond." Okay, so what happened with him? Crocodile called him. Why he called him? Because he wanted to eat Tinny and he was following a trick. The crocodile replied, "Oh, you are so nice. I just want to talk." Tinny remembered his mother's words. Okay, so Tinny has remembered his mother's word, and what had his mother said to him? His mother said to him, "Never talk to strangers and never trust to strangers." Okay, so that time Tinny think I should go home. The crocodile said again, "Oh, come to me fast, dear child. I have a gift for you." Tinny recalled again and said in his heart, Mummy had also said that wicked stranger offer gifts and toffees. So, because a crocodile wanted to eat Tinny, so he offers gifts and toffees to Tinny. But Tinny has remembered Mama's words. He jumped and ran back to the home. Tinny said all the matter to his mother. What happened on the way when he was going to school? His mother was very happy to see how Tinny remembered her words and obeyed her mama. Okay, so you should always be a obedient child and always obey your parents. Okay, students, and never trust on strangers. Never talk to strangers, and this will be better if you never go alone outside. कभी भी आप बाहर जाओ alone बाहर मत जाओ, अकेले मत जाओ. Okay, students, so now we will do question answer of this chapter. What had Tinny's mother warned him of? टिनी की मदर ने क्या वार्न किया था? Yes, Tinny's mother warned him to never talk to strangers. टिनीज की मदर ने वार्न किया था कि स्ट्रेंजर से बात नहीं करनी चाहिए. ओके, सो टिनी की मदर ने कहा था कि जब भी आपको स्ट्रेंजर मिले ऑन द वे, So never talk to him. बात मत करना. Okay. So now question number 2. Was the crocodile a good stranger? Give one reason. Look here. What happened with Tinny? Crocodile said, I have a gift for you. Then Tiny recalled again and said in his heart, Mummy had also said that wicked strangers offer gifts and toffees. Then he jumped and ran back home. तभी टिनी को रिकॉल हुआ कि मम्मा ने कहा था कि जो विकेड स्ट्रेंजर होते हैं वो हमेशा गिफ्ट एंड टॉफीज ऑफर करते हैं. सो नो, द क्रोकोडाइल वॉज नॉट अ गुड स्ट्रेंजर. वाई? बिकॉज ही वॉन्टेड टू ईट टिनी. Okay, students. Now, what did you learn from Tinny? We learned from Tinny we should always obey our parents and should not trust on strangers. हमें कभी भी strangers पे trust नहीं करना चाहिए. Okay, students. So that was your question answer which you have to do in your notebook. Now, this one we have to do. There are some good qualities that make you safe. What we have to do? Circle the qualities that you have. Okay. यहाँ पे आपको स्टूडेंट्स कुछ गुड क्वालिटीज़ दी हुई हैं जो आपको सेफ रखते हैं. हमें क्या करना है? सर्कल द क्वालिटीज़ दैट यू हैव. आप में जो क्वालिटीज़ हैं उसे सर्कल करने हैं. Let me start. First one is CAREFULNESS. Carefulness. Carefulness, it means केयर करना. हर किसी की बात को ध्यान में रखना. मोस्टली अपने पेरेंट्स की बात को ध्यान में रखना. Now the second one is NAUGHTINESS. Naughtiness. Naughtiness, it means बहुत ज़्यादा naughty होना. Now the third one is DISCIPLINE. Discipline. CARELESSNESS. Carelessness. Carelessness, it means केयर ना करना, बातों को ध्यान ना रखना. Now WICKEDNESS. Wickedness. Wickedness, it means who is not good. GREED. Greed. You can say in Hindi lalach. Okay, so you are not greedy. Now CALMNESS. Calmness. Calmness, it means when you think quietly. When you think quietly, that is called calmness. So what quality you have? You are naughtiness? No. You are disciplined? Yes. You are carefulness? Yes. Are you carelessness? No. You have wickedness? No. You are greedy? No. You have calmness? Yes. Let me have. Circle the qualities. You are careful, so you have carefulness quality. You are not naughty, so you have not naughtiness quality. You are disciplined, so you have also this quality. You are carelessness. No, you are not carelessness. Now, you have wickedness. No, you have not wickedness quality. You are greedy. No, this quality is also don't you have. And now calmness, CALMNESS, calmness. Yes, you have this quality. Now, who was Tinny? Who was Tinny? Tinny was a rabbit. Okay, who was Tinny? Tinny was a rabbit. Who was big and greedy? Yes, it's crocodile. Okay, students, so you have to do this question in your book and you have to do this question in your notebook.